Blagdon Clean Pond machine uses exclusive 2-in-1 CHI media for effective mechanical and biological filtration. Due to its unique shapes, the media interlocks, trapping and holding dirt particles, returning the clean water to your pond. By turning the cleaning handle, the internal patented blade mixing system separates and disturbs the locked media. This releases the dirt, which is flushed as waste. Once clean, the media floats back into its interlock state, ready to continue cleaning your pond. In everyday use, 100% oxygen-rich water flows past the high surface area CHI media, creating optimal conditions for biological filtration. There are current popular alternative medias available, such as foams and floating media. While foam is good at initially catching waste, once blocked, it is both strenuous and challenging to truly clean. The impregnated dirt prevents foams returning to their original effectiveness and therefore needs replacing annually. Although existing floating media is known for its biological use, it is mechanically ineffective at catching waste in a compact garden filter. The structure of the media cannot interlock and therefore sieve. This allows dirty water to bypass filtration and returns to your pond. CHI media has the benefit of being effective at both mechanical and biological filtration. It's easy to clean and has a lifetime guarantee. Blagdon CHI media is available as part of the Clean Pond Machine filter system, available in all good aquatic retailers and online.